Okay, Mbak Nila, before we continue our discussion today, I want you to remember, I want to remind you about last material that we have discussed. Exactly, it was about how to understand numbers in English context. You still remember about understanding number? Mbak Nila,
Sorry.
are you with me? Can you hear my voice?
Iya.
Okay, yes.
Putus.
Oh, putus-putus. Yeah, maybe your connection is unstable. How about now? Is it clear?
Clear.
Clear, okay. I want to remind you
Clear.
about how to understand numbers in English. We can use numbers to describe about time, about price, yeah, about the quantity, about the order, the list, the queue, and then what else? The range, ya. Jadi banyak fungsinya untuk mendeskripsikan mana yang berupa urutan, mana yang berupa jumlah, ya. Oke. Mbak Nila.
Okay. Sorry.
Good. Okay. I will admit one participant more to join in our online class today. She is Mbak Amelia. Okay, let's greet her. Mbak Amelia. Good evening, Mbak Amelia. Can you hear my voice, Mbak Amelia? How are you, Mbak Amel? Can you hear my voice? Maybe you can unmute your speaker. Di unmute dulu coba speaker Anda. Itu masih mute. Dinyalakan speakernya Mbak Amel. Okay, let's continue. Yeah. Okay, Mbak Nila. As I explained in the previous meeting about telling time in English, there are several terms. Ada beberapa terms. Terms itu istilah. Can you repeat terms?
Term.
Terms.
Term.
Oke, pernah dengar kata terms?
Pernah.
Pernah. Di suatu iklan pasti ada terms and condition. Ya, syarat dan ketentuan berlaku. Syarat itu condition, terms itu ketentuan. Ya.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now, how to say tepat in English? O'clock. Ya.
Apa, Mas?
Untuk
Sorry.
mengatakan tepat itu o'clock.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Now, Mas Rosidin has also joined with our class. Yeah, today's meeting I'll combine Mbak Nila's class to another participants. Is that okay, Mbak Nila? Mas Rosidin, how are you? Di-unmute dulu, Mas Rosidin. Please unmute your voice. Okay, clear. Yeah. Good evening, Mas Rosid.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Mas Jidan. Good evening, Mas Jidan. Unmute your voice, please.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Okay, good job. But Amel left our meeting, yeah? Maybe she got bad connection. Okay, let's continue. Everybody, today's meeting, we want to remind you how to understand numbers that used in telling time. Ya, jadi kali ini kita akan mencoba mengulas penggunaan angka dalam menjelaskan waktu, ya. Let me share the screen share first. Saya setting dulu. Oke. Udah jelas? Oke ya. Okay, now let's start our course by understanding about numbers in English context. Yeah. Please open up your camera. You don't need to turn off your camera while the course is progressing. Oke, jadi Anda tetap nyalakan kamera Anda. Let's continue. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay, good. Now, in telling time, you have to understand about the term PM and AM. AM is only for morning, okay? And PM is for afternoon. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Afternoon, evening, night itu PM. Mulai dari 12 siang, jadi bedanya PMP, panas gitu ya. AM, adem. Adem mulai malam atau malam. Nah, begitu. Jadi cara bedainnya, oke? Kemudian pas itu lebih ya. Jika menitnya menitnya di antara 1 menit sampai 30 menit. Kemudian to kurang itu jika menitnya 31 menit sampai 59 menit atau jarum panjangnya di sebelah kiri. Lalu jamnya berarti menuju ke jam berikutnya. Sedangkan istilah 30 menit atau setengah jam itu ada istilah sendiri namanya half. Can you repeat half?
Half.
Half, okay, half. Yes. Next, untuk menyatakan 15 menit atau 14 jam, kita bisa mengatakan dengan a quarter. Repeat please together, a quarter.
A quarter.
A quarter. Oke. Anda tidak perlu mematikan mikrofon ya, biar saya dengar suara yang natural di sekitar Anda. Ya. Nah gitu Mas Diran. That's good. Next. Contohnya, kita lihat di latihan yang kemarin. Saya stop sharing dulu. Okay. Can you see the screen? You can take a look on number 7. Number 7. Mas Rashid, Mbak Lila, and Mas Zidan. Okay. Number 7 on the second line, di baris kedua. Ya. Jam 10 lebih 10. Malam, PM. PM kan malam ya. PM itu mulai dari siang, sore, malam. Berarti nggak ada jam 10 siang. Adanya 10 malam. Kalau AM berarti pagi. Yang di sini menggunakan PM. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So how to tell time in English? It's 10 past 10 at night. It's 10 past 10 at night. Yeah, it's 10, sorry. It's 10 past 10 at night. Mana tadi? Number 7. Okay. It's 10 past 10 at night. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, what about the second line? Yang kedua, yang sampingnya sini. Yang saya blok ini. Ini
10,
jam berapa? It's 10
10 to
to
10.
it's 10 to 10, betul ya. Nah, jadi kalau ini menitnya kan sudah lebih dari 30 menit. Berarti kita pakainya tuh. Kalau itu berarti kurang. Kurangnya berapa menit? 10 menit. Ya. 10, 10. It's 10 to kurang. Ke jam berikutnya. 10. It's 10 to 10 in the morning. Oke, Mbak Dila?
Okay.
Yes. Next, number 3. Yang saya blok ini, coba. Mas Didan, how to say it in English? 6:45 AM.
6:10:5.
Pardon? Ini kurang kan? Pakainya ini kurang atau lebih coba? 45 menit berarti kita pakai kurang atau lebih? Mas Rashid, can you help him?
It's quarter past.
It's quarter. Pas atau to?
It's quarter to
To
7
7. In the morning. In the morning. Okay. It's a quarter to 7 in the morning. Okay. It's quarter to 7 in the morning. Kenapa bisa begitu? 45 itu berarti kita pakainya kurang. Kurang itu kan rentan di 31 menit sampai 59 menit. Paham ya? Understand so far? Jadi ini masuk ke to ya atau kurang. Sedangkan kurangnya itu berapa menit ke jam berikutnya? 15 menit. Understand?
Iya.
Ya. Maka dari situ ke jam berikutnya itu jam 7. Understand so far?
Yes.
Good. Okay. It's a quarter to 7 in the morning. Next. Yang berikutnya. Jam 12 tepat. How to say it in English? Mbak Nila.
12 o'clock
12
at
o'clock
night.
at night. Okay, good job. At night. At midnight. Lebih tepatnya. Ya.
Oh.
Next. What about this? Mas Rashid. 4:05 AM.
saya lupa ini.
5 past 4. 5 past 4.
4
Yeah, 5 past 4 in the morning or
in the
what? In the morning karena menggunakan AM. Clear?
Clear.
Clear, good. What about this? Jam 2:15. Mas Didan, come on. Tell me in English. 2:15 PM. Ini pakainya pas atau to dulu ya?
at night.
15 menit itu berapa istilahnya? A quarter.
Tahu, Pak.
A quarter. A quarter. Mbak Nila, can you repeat? A quarter.
A quarter
Pas atau to?
past.
Past 2 in the afternoon. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the third line. Yang terakhir. 7:40. Anyone can answer? Please raise your hand. Okay, Mas Rashid, come on. Ditekan tombol raise-nya. It's
Apa?
It's 20. Okay, good. It's 20.
Aku rangkul duit.
2 egg
2:08. Okay, it's 20 to
Kita
8.
lagi meet asalnya.
Apa itu? At night atau in the evening?
In the evening.
In the evening. Ya, in the evening. At night itu kalau jam 9 ke atas. Everybody, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Let's continue. The next. 8 tepat. Bagaimana mengatakan itu, Mas Dira? Can you tell me? Jam 8 tepat. Mohon. 8 apa? 8 apa bahasa Inggrisnya 8? How to say 8 in English?
Eight.
Mohon. 8.
Eight.
It's 8 o'clock. O'clock itu tepat. Ya, repeat please. It's 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
O'clock itu tepat ya, Mas Dida. Please remember.
8 o'clock.
Okay, what about this one? 6.55. Mbak Nila, come on, please answer.
5
Yes,
to 7 at evening.
Yes, in the evening. It's 5 to 7 in the evening. Yang at itu hanya at night. Oke, Mbak Nila. Yang selain itu in the
Oh, iya.
morning, in the afternoon,
Okay.
in the evening, at night. Remember. Okay, you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Let's continue. 12.30. Mas Rashid.
The
Come on.
12
It's half. Okay, it's half.
to
Half past, not 2. 2 itu kalau udah lebih 31.
is half past
It's half past.
30.
No. Past 12. 12 in English, 12.
Oh, is
Ah,
it's half
it's half
past 12
past 12.
in the night.
Are you sure? In the afternoon. In the afternoon.
Oh yes.
Yeah, remember, in the afternoon. Okay, let's go on. Jam 1 lebih 20 menit. Menitnya dulu didahulukan, coba, Mas Didan. Menitnya dulu. Menitnya mana? 20 atau satunya?
20.
20, okay. Yeah, it's 20.
20.
Past
1.
Past 1, okay.
Night. Past one
Night, are you sure? PM itu apa? In the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Understand? Okay. The last, Mbak Nila. Please.
A quarter
A quarter,
to
okay.
5 in the
2,
morning.
5 in the morning, exactly. Yeah. I think it's very easy. You have to practice. But in speaking every day, yeah, you don't need to say about that. Anda tidak perlu mengatakan in that way, dengan cara demikian. Anda cukup dengan cara yang paling mudah. Jam 7.25, berarti it's 7.25. Repeat.
It's 7:25.
Nah, itu dalam bahasa Inggris sehari-hari demikian. Lalu yang pakai pas dan to tadi untuk apa? Untuk keadaan formal, untuk yang lebih sopan dan bahasa baku. Ya, remember. Understand? Jadi yang kita pakai o'clock tadi, pakai pas untuk yang lebih dari 1 menit sampai 30 menit. Kita pakai to untuk yang 31 sampai rentan 59 menit. Ya, dan kita pakai half, a quarter tadi. Kalau yang 15 menit quarter, kalau 30 menit half, itu juga bahasa yang sopan, bahasa baku, bahasa formal. Lalu untuk kehidupan sehari-hari bahasa Inggris kita cuma yang lebih simple. 8.30 berarti it's 8:30. Repeat together.
It's X
8:30.
Okay, great. It's 9:55.
It's 9:55.
Okay, good. It's 11:35.
It's
It's 11:35.
Oke, di layar Anda muncul ya soalnya nomor 7 tersebut. Angel, okay. It's 12:45.
It's 12:40.
It's 12:45. Come on.
It's 12.
Oke, ya. Jam 12:45, ya kan? Understand so far? Any questions? Apa ada pertanyaan dulu sebelum saya lanjutkan, please? Tell me if you have any questions. Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. So far, so good. Okay, let's jump to another topic. Yeah. A share screen. About the second one is days of the week. Yeah. Remember, days of the week. First, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Repeat, please. Monday,
Monday.
Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
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 Okay. Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
not Wednesday. Wednesday. D-nya di drop. Huruf D-nya ada drop. Wednesday.
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 Okay. D-nya ada drop. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Thursday.
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 Nah, bedanya apa antara Selasa dan Kamis? If you tell me about hari Selasa, it means Tuesday. Repeat, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday is the second day. Second day. Pertemuan yang lalu kita membahas second ya, Mbak Nila. Untuk bilangan yang urutan. Second. Second day is Tuesday. Remember? Mbak Nila, can you hear my voice? Dengar suara saya?
Udah.
Okay, good. So the second day is Tuesday. The fourth day is Thursday. You get it?
Sorry, kurang paham.
The second day itu berarti apa? Hari kedua,
Oh,
ya kan?
hari kedua.
Nah, pertemuan yang lalu kita membahas bilangan urutan. Masih ingat nggak? Intinya teori-teori yang sudah kita bahas pertemuan-pertemuan sebelumnya itu akan tetap kepake ya. Tidak ada yang sia-sia. Selalu kita gunakan dalam speaking. Jadi jangan lalu Anda lupakan, no. Ya, you have to keep in mind. Anda tetap harus ingat. And then to apply in your speaking. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's continue. Thursday is the fourth day. Thursday is the fourth day. Hari keempat is Thursday. Clear, Mas Ida? Good. And then Friday. What is Friday?
It's
Friday. Hari apa itu Friday?
Jumat.
Jumat. Cara ngucapinnya Friday ya, bukan free day. Kalau free day nanti hari libur, ya, hari bebas, free. Anda bilangnya adalah Friday. Friday. Nah, remember ya, Mas Dida, Friday, not free day. And then Saturday. What is Saturday?
Sabtu.
Sabtu. Sunday?
Minggu.
Minggu. So weekend, we have weekend. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday. Understand? Weekends are on Sunday, and Saturday. Jadi untuk mengatakan hari kita gunakan preposisi jenis on. On Monday, you work on Monday to Friday. You work, ya, on Monday to Friday. Anda bekerja pada hari Senin sampai Jumat. We work on Monday to Friday. Pakainya on. Hari itu kita gunainnya on. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Mbak Nila, you understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
masih dan?
Understand.
Oke, jadi hari pakainya apa tadi? On.
On.
Jangan in,
On.
jangan at, ya. On Monday, on Tuesday, on weekend, on holiday. Let's continue. And then there are 7 days, ya, of the week. There are itu untuk mengatakan ada. Adanya berapa? Banyak nih, ya. Adanya itu lebih dari 1. Ya kan ada S-nya di sini, 7 days. There are adalah ungkapan untuk mengatakan ada. Ada, ya. Sebagainya there are. Atau Anda boleh mengatakan there is. There is only a day, ya, for my free day. That is on Sunday. Nah, there is itu ada juga, tapi untuk 1. Ya kan? Buktinya 1 apa? Ada E-nya di sini. There is only a day for my free day. Hanya ada 1 hari untuk hari libur saya. For my free day. That is, itu adalah on Sunday. Can you repeat, please? Mas Rashid, please read the sentence. There is only a day for my free day. That's on Sunday.
There is
Come on.
only for free day that is on Sunday.
That is on Sunday. Repeat faster. There is only a day for my free day. That's on Sunday. That is, Anda bisa gabung pengucapannya menjadi that's. Repeat, please. Come on, faster.
There is only a day for my free day that's on Sunday.
Oke, ya. Jadi apa itu maknanya tadi? What does it mean?
Ada 1 hari libur saya, yaitu
Hari Minggu, ya. Hanya ada, hanyanya itu ada only di situ. There is only a day, hanya ada. Adanya there is, karena berhubung 1 yang disebut ya. Is it clear? Clear. Okay, now, Mbak Nila, please read the sentence. There is only a day for my free day, that's on Sunday. Come on.
There is only a day for my free day. That's on Sunday.
That's on Sunday. Quick job. Next, Mas Sidan, please read the sentence.
There is only a day for my free day. That's on Sunday.
A day, not a day. A day, not die. Day. Ya, kalau die nanti meninggal jadinya ya kan? Day. There is only a day for my free day. Free day, not free die. Free day. That's on Sunday. Repeat, come on.
There is only a day for my free day. That's on Sunday.
Okay, good. There is only a day for my free day. That's on Sunday. Apa tadi maknanya, Mas Sidan? Can you repeat, please?
Hanya ada 1 hari yang bebas atau yang libur di hari Minggu.
Oke, yaitu di hari Minggu. Clear, Mas Sidan? Clear. Okay, now let's continue to the next one. After days of the week, we have to understand about months. Yeah, months, January. Repeat.
January,
January. February.
February.
Yeah, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, July, August. Yeah, September, October, and then November. Yeah, and the last December, not December, but December. Okay, please repeat one by one. January.
January,
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 February,
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 March,
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 April,
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 April, masih dan April,
April,
April, May,
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 June,
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 July,
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 August,
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 September,
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 October,
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 November,
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 December.
December.
December,
December.
Okay, my questions. What is the first month of the year? What is the first month of the year?
What
January. Okay, good job, Mas Mohsen. So what is the third month of the year?
March,
March. Excellent, Vanilla. Next, what is the 10th month of the year?
October,
October,
October. Great. What is the last month of the year?
December,
December,
December. Next, my last question. What month did you born?
May,
May, yeah. And then, Mas Rashid, what month did you born? What month did you born? Bulan apa Anda lahir? That's my question. Mbak Nila say answer May. Good job, Mbak Nila. Thank you. So my questions, my last questions, what month did you born? What month did you born?
October,
Understand?
understand?
Please answer my questions. What month did you born, Mas Zidan and Mas Roshan?
October,
October. How about you, Mas Zidan?
August,
August. August, not August. August.
August,
August. 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 August.
August,
August. Okay, great. Next, yeah. Year. How to say year in English? Remember, ya. Ada formal, ada casual. Yang kemarin itu, masih ingat ya? Kalau yang formal, kita sisipkan N di belakang angkanya. Tapi untuk yang casual, kita tidak perlu sisipkan N. Mari kita lihat untuk tahun, ya. Di soal berikut. Nah ini, nomor 12 kemarin. Ya, number 12. Nah, yang ini ya. Yang depan dulu. Coba yang depan semuanya ini, how to say in English? The most front. 2005,
2005,
2005,
1989,
99,
okay. 2013,
2013,
1999,
99,
okay. 2021,
2020,
2014,
2014,
2010,
2010,
okay. 2001.
2001,
Oke, yang barusan kita praktekkan itu cara yang baku atau tidak baku?
tidak bagus,
Yes, excellent. Yang tanpa M itu adalah cara yang tidak baku, cara yang sehari-hari kita gunakan dalam speaking, ya. Oke, everybody. Nah, lalu Anda praktikkan yang belakang, coba dengan cara yang tadi, cara yang sama kita praktekkan. Dari mulai Mbak Nila dulu. Semua yang belakang, dari mulai A sampai H. From A to H.
yang formal atau yang enggak formal?
Yang tidak formal, yang tidak baku.
Oh, 2015,
Oke, faster ya sekarang. Lanjut. The next one, B.
1990.
Okay, good. Next.
23.
No, 2003.
Oh yes, 2003.
Ya, oke. Jika tidak dua digit bilangannya, maka tidak boleh dipenggal dua-dua, ya. Remember. Oke, next. Option D.
1997.
Oke, good. Now, Mas Zidan.
20.
Oke, thank you, Mbak Nila. Let's continue, Mas Zidan. Option E.
Yang mana, Pak?
Option E, yang E.
Oh,
E, ya. E, start from E.
2021.
No, yang belakang. Saya tadi bilangnya
Yang
apa?
belakang.
Kita praktikkan yang belakang semua.
Oh, baik, Pak. 2020.
No, 12 itu apa?
12.
2012.
2012.
Oke, good. Atau 2012 boleh, ya. Yang penting nggak pakai M. Oke, next. F. Continue.
2004.
Oke, good. Next. Option G.
2020.
Oke, good. H.
2000. Nggak tahu 11, Pak.
Pardon?
Nggak tahu nomor
2011?
11.
Oke. 11 apa? Ayo.
Nggak tahu, Pak.
Nggak tahu, coba dihitung. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh.
5, 6, 7,
7,
8, 9,
9,
10, 11.
Yes.
Harus ingat-ingat nih, ini dasar sekali nih, ya kan? 11,
11.
ya. When you made number 11, how to tell me? Oh, that's 11, 11. Oke, now, ulangi. Yang nomor, yang H, 2011, bagaimana ngucapinnya tadi?
2011.
Oke, good. Nah, Mas Rashid, A until D, come on.
A until
Oke,
2050.
oke. 50 or 15?
15.
Oke, sweet. Next.
1919.
Good.
1997.
Okay.
And
Option C, option C. What about C? Option C. 2003.
2000.
Okay, good. Option D.
1997.
Okay, great, excellent. Now let's continue. Yeah, I'll stop sharing. About weather. Yeah, weather. Do you know weather in English? In bahasa, weather is
Musim.
cuaca, no musim. Ya, weather itu apa? Cuaca. Season itu musim. Ya. So the first season, yeah, the first season is winter. Sorry, spring. Apa itu? Semi.
Semi.
Understand?
Yes.
Start from March to May. And then the weather maybe cuacanya apa? Wet, yeah, and then sunny, rainy, yeah, and then flowering, bersemi, berbunga, yeah, and then What's that? Bright, cerah. Yeah. What else? That's all. Yeah. And what about next season? Summer. What is summer?
Panas.
Panas.
Yes, good. Start from May, June to August. Ya. Jadi ada 4 musim kan in the world. There are there are 4 seasons in the world. So a year consists of 12 months. 12 divided into 4. So each season has 3 months period. Ya kan? You understand? Ada setahun 12 bulan. So divided into 4 season, dibagi 4. So each season will happen in 3 months. Akan terjadi dalam 3 bulan. Understand so far? Jelas? Jelas ya?
Enggak jelas.
Nggak jelas. Kan setahun ada 12 bulan. Sedangkan musimnya kan ada 4 ya. Sehingga 12 kan bagi 4. Sehingga satu musim itu 3 bulan, 3 bulan. Understand so far? Good. Yeah, listen. And then pay attention. Next, summer musim panas start from June to August. Yeah. And the weather of summer, it will be hot, of course, dry,
Warm.
windy, then
Warm, Pak.
warm. Ya. Ini biasa foggy juga bisa ya, foggy ya. Foggy itu berkabut ya. Warm and apalagi selain itu? Ya, cukup ya. Oke, next. After summer, it is fall season or autumn. Musim gugur. Ya. Start from September to November. Fall season will be falling. Ya, windy. Then ini juga bisa cloudy ya. Mendung ya kan? Cloudy itu mendung. Ini windy terus apa lagi? Dry. Ya, kering juga. And then winter. Winter or snowy. Or snow season. Ya. Itu musim musim salju ya. Start from
Cool.
Desember.
ya December, very good. Start from December to February. Very good. Rashid. How is the weather in winter? Come on, everybody answer.
Cool. Cool.
Cold, okay. Cold, ya cold ya. Cold itu keren ya. Sejuk.
Cool. Iya, iya.
Kalau cold itu sejuk, keren gitu ya. Tapi kalau cold dingin, beda. Cold and then freezing, membeku ya.
Oh.
And rain, snowy, pastinya bersalju. Ya. And then foggy, berkabut juga. Ya.
Cloudy.
Cloudy, It's cloudy, ya. It's cloudy. Cloudy-nya mendung.
mendung,
Cloudy. Maybe wet juga. Rainy. Hujan salju, ya. Oke. That's all. Jadi kita berlatih yang cuaca sama weather. Weather and also season. Ya, apa tadi? Weather, cuaca, and season. Understand so far?
Yes.
Okay.
Season.
In this case, you have to try to describe, yeah, about your understanding in weather and seasons. Yeah. You have to start by here. I'm going to tell you about seasons in the world. Yeah. There are 7 seasons. No. There are 4 seasons in the world. First, yeah. First, second, third, and the last. And then you can close your monologue by saying, that's all about seasons in the world. Yeah, I can describe it. Yeah, that I can describe. Yang saya bisa deskripsikan. Yeah, without reading the text, you have to look at the camera. Yeah, you have to look at the camera and describe about your understanding of season and weather. For example, the example that I give you. Here, yeah, everybody, I'm going to tell you about the seasons in the world. There are 4. There are. Ingat ya, tadi kita ada belajar there is dan there are. There is itu ada 1. There are berarti ada lebih dari 1. Understand, Mbak Nila? Yes? Okay, good. So in this session, I want you to try in speaking, yeah? Start from describing weather and season. Based on my explanations about the weather of each season. Okay? Yeah. There are 4 seasons in the world. First is spring. It begins, itu dimulai, boleh ya, atau it start from, boleh. Karena start itu sinonimnya adalah begin, ya. Start from, itu persamaannya dengan begin. Ya, artinya dimulai atau memulai. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, ya. It begins on, sorry. Kalau March, ini kan bulan ya. Jadi kalau tadi hari, kita pakainya pakainya on. Nah, ini bulan pakainya on. In untuk bulan. In itu untuk bulan. Ya, month. Tapi kalau on, itu untuk day. Example. In March. In October. Etc. Ya, kalau ini berarti on Monday, on Sunday, etc. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. There are 4 seasons in the world. It begins with spring, yeah, that start from March to May, yeah. The weather in spring season, ya, pakainya in karena dalam musim, ya, itu masih rentan durasinya musim semi, ya, pakainya in, ya. In spring, the weather are, ya, apa tadi, wet, sunny, and so on, ya. Anda bisa skip sampai the second, bla bla bla. The third, the last season is winter or snow season. Anda bisa dikembangkan in snow season. You can feel freezing. Kita bisa merasa. We can feel, ya. We can feel. Can itu bisa. We can feel freezing, full, snowy, and sometimes raining and foggy. Yeah, that's all about the seasons in the word that I can describe. Thank you. Oke, ya. Yakin dengan kata thank you. Understand? Start from Matrashit, maybe. Come on. Without reading. Just look at the camera. Look at your friends on camera. Come on. Are you sleeping?
Not yet.
Not yet, yeah? Come on. Try to describe about seasons in the word without reading. And close. Yeah? Okay. Come on.
Percakapan langsung atau yang tidak ada, Pak?
Langsung percakapan.
When is the first season spring,
Mhm.
there are winter.
Winter. Harusnya mulai spring dulu. Ya kan? Kan musim semi dulu. Masa tiba-tiba langsung salju turun. Ya kan? Kan dimulai dari semi dulu. Pertama bunga-bunga bermekaran, ya kan? Habis semi terus panas. Saking panasnya, terus daun-daun berjatuhan, berguguran, terus habis musim panas maka musim gugur, kan berguguran. Habis pada nggak ada dahannya, nggak ada daunnya, tinggal ranting doang, baru deh musim salju turun. Masa tiba-tiba langsung salju, kasihan dong buah-buahannya yang sudah tumbuh, ya kan, hijau-hijaunya langsung dikasih salju, ya kan nggak mungkin, kiamat nanti ya. Oh my. Spring dulu, spring, summer, autumn atau fall season, and then the last season is winter. Come on.
The season, the first season, spring.
Spring, okay.
There are
In spring.
in spring.
Mhm.
In spring,
Okay, the weather is where?
the winter is
The weather, bukan winter. Weather, cuaca, weather.
the winter is
Mhm.
wet,
Okay.
and then sunny,
Okay, good.
and then tree under that,
Mhm.
and then flowering,
Good.
and break, and then cloudy,
Mhm.
and the last cookie.
And the second season is
And the second season is summer.
summer. Okay. In the summer, it usually start from. It usually start from. It refers to summer. It-nya mengacu pada summer. Ya.
It usually starts from June to August,
Oke.
and then winter, the first is hot, the second dry,
Yang saya second, first gak usah. Ada di sini aja. Itu kan langsung ke cuacanya ya. Jadi gak usah the first, hot, the first, dry gitu ya. And the weather is wet, dry, and sometimes cloudy, sometimes windy. Ada kasih kata-kata tambahan sometimes, kadang-kadang, atau usually biasanya. Improve by yourself. Dikembangkan dengan diri Anda sendiri ya.
Okay.
Come on.
And the second season
Bisa.
is usually we start from June to April
Mhm.
and start from
Come on.
there are hot, then dry, then something windy, and then
Sometimes, not something. Sometimes.
sometimes dry, sometimes
Hmm.
windy, and then warm.
Okay.
The season
And the next season, okay.
and
Again, just the next season or after summer, yeah, after summer season, it will be fall season begitu di improve ya. Jangan saklek-saklek speaking itu yang nyantai aja ya. Kayak Anda ngomong sama teman Anda ya. Take and relax ya. Take relaxly. Come on.
uh, uh, the next season for
Mhm.
summer,
Mhm.
fall, or autumn,
Mhm.
usually start from September to November.
Okay. Good.
The and then the weather usually is falling,
Mhm.
and then dry. And the
Okay.
next and the last season for winter or snow, and sometimes start from December to February.
Nah, sometimes ya, usually itu kan biasanya terjadi pada bulan, bukan kadang-kadang terjadi pada. Kalau musim kan nggak kadang-kadang dan biasanya terjadi bulan ini, ya kan? Consider the context, pertimbangkan konteksnya. Sometimes itu bukan, tapi usually karena kan musim itu udah pasti terjadi biasanya bulan ini sampai bulan ini, bukan kadang-kadang, begitu kan? Do you know what I mean?
Jadi,
Okay, continue. Last season is winter that usually
last
happen in December to February gitu. Repeat please.
the last season for winter or snow usually start from December to February,
Hmm.
and then the winter sometimes cold, and then freezing, and then snowy, sometimes foggy, cloudy, and then wet, and and then rainy. That's
Raining.
rainy.
Yes.
That's all about season in the world that can describe. Thank you for attention.
Yeah. Thank you, not thank you. Thank you
Thank you for
for your
attention.
attention. Okay. Good job. Next, Manila, please describe about seasons in the word. Use your improvisation. Improvement. Come on.
For season in the word first spring,
I'm going to tell you, begin with the greeting first. Dimulai dari sapaannya dulu nih. I'm going to tell you about the seasons in the world. Gitu, ya. Come
I'm going to tell you about season in the word.
on. Okay.
There are 4 seasons in the word. First spring, usually begin from March to May.
Begin in. Dimulai di. Begin in. Kalau begin in, start
Begin
from.
in-
Begitu ya. Begin
Begin
in
in
March.
March to May.
Okay, good.
To May. Usually with sunny, rainy, flowering,
Rainy.
bright,
Okay.
cloudy, and foggy.
Yes. Next.
Second, summer.
The second season is
Usually,
hmm,
the second season is summer. Usually start from June to
okay.
August.
Good.
Usually hot, dry,
Hmm,
windy, warm.
okay.
And the third season is fall.
Good.
Begin in September to November.
Yes.
Usually falling, windy, dry. And the last, winter or snow.
Good.
Begin from December to February.
February.
Usually winter, cold, freezing, snowy, foggy, cloudy, wet, raining.
Then
That's all about season in the world I can describe. Thank you.
okay. Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you for your good description, Mbak Nila and Mas Rashid. The last panelist, Mas Zidan, come on. Describe about your understanding of season and weather. Come on.
Ini menjelaskan percakapan ya Pak dari spring sampai winter Pak.
Ya, seperti yang teman-teman Anda sudah contohkan tadi.
Baik Pak. Start from March to May.
Now, you have to begin with the greeting. Anda harus mulai dari sapanya dulu. Here I'm going to tell you about the weather and seasons in the world. There are 4 seasons in the world. Begitu contohnya yang sudah disampaikan juga oleh teman-teman Anda. Come on.
There are 4 seasons in the world.
Okay.
And first
Hmm.
first weather spring start from March to May.
Weather atau season? Ayo, bedanya apa? Weather sama season, Mas Zidan?
Kalau weather itu lebih ke cuaca Pak. Kalau musim itu lebih ke musim semi panas gitu Pak.
Oke, good. Oke, jadi season itu musim gitu ya. Nah, sekarang Anda coba bilangnya bukan weather spring. The spring season, the weather is atau the spring's weather, cuaca musim semi boleh ya, bukan weather spring tapi the spring's weather. The spring's weather ada S-nya. The spring's ya ada S-nya karena mengkaitkan dengan cuacanya di semi, artinya cuaca di musim semi. Kayak Anda mengatakan Rudy's car. Repeat please. Rudy's car. Mobilnya Rudy, ya kan? Nila's parents. Nila's parent. Orang tuanya Mbak Nila. Zidan's pencil. Pensilnya Zidan. Begitu. Understand? Jadi kayak spring's weather, berarti cuacanya musim spring. Apa tadi spring? Musim semi. Bukan weather spring ya, tapi spring's weather. In spring's weather, usually wet, sunny, bright, ya, rainy, and sometimes foggy gitu ya. Anda gunakan adverb of frequency. Jadi sometimes ada usually begitu ya. Usually biasanya, sometimes kadang-kadang. Ada improve sendiri Mas Didan. Okay, you can do that. Come on, begin with the greeting first. Greetingnya apa? Ini. Greetingnya ini. Yang saya bold ini. Ya, yang saya kapital ini. One.
Here I'm going to tell you about season in the world. They are 4 seasons in the world. And first, spring weather. I I look at cloudy in the sky.
Okay, good. And then
Start from months, March,
gak usah
May.
month, gak usah month, ya. Oke, good job. Gak usah month. Kenapa? Karena March itu sudah otomatis month dan bukan month pengucapannya, tapi adalah month. Pakai a, month. Understand? Ya. Ulangi. Jadi March itu udah otomatis jenis bulan, gak usah month March. Tapi March aja. Ya. Anda kan pengen bulan Maret gitu ya. Maret saja udah tidak termasuk bulan. Paham ya? Ulangi lagi ya. First, spring. In spring, sea weather usually wet, sunny, rainy, flowering, etc. It usually start from March to May. Gitu. Ya, silakan. Lanjutkan lagi. Come on, Mas Zidan.
In spring weather, I look at cloudy in the sky. Start from spring weather in March to May.
Okay, continue. Good.
Lanjut apa ini, Pak?
Ya, lanjut terus ya. Jika saya
Summer ya, Pak?
tidak menyela berarti lanjut terus ya, until finish, sampai berhenti, sampai selesai. Seperti teman-teman Anda tadi, Anda memperhatikan tidak tadi? Nah, gitu kan? Ya, come on.
Next month. Oh, dhisik yo. Oh, ora ono susuke soalnya. In next
Mas Zidan.
month, in next season, in next weather, summer weather. Summer weather start from June to August. Sometimes I'm feeling hot
Good. Okay. Sometimes feeling hot.
in every day.
Okay, every day. And continue.
The next weather in autumn. Autumn weather. I'm sorry. In autumn weather. Autumn
Okay.
weather starts from September to November. And in autumn weather, sometimes I'm sick.
Okay.
I'm feeling sick.
Okay.
In the last weather.
The last season. The last season, musim terakhir.
In the last season.
Okay.
Winter weather.
The winter's weather. Okay.
Weather start from December to February. I'm feeling cold in every time.
Okay, every time you feel cold. And then close your monologue, please.
Thank you. I hope sir understand.
I hope so understand. Gimana Mas Anda? Saya sudah memberikan guidance, ya kan? Saya sudah memberikan petunjuk di sini. Nah, ya kan? Nah, lihat nggak? Nah, itu tadi. Nah, sudah saya sediakan padahal. Come on.
That's all about season in the world that I can describe. Thank you.
Oke, Mas Zidan, please pay attention, ya. Jadi ketika teman Anda praktek, Anda perhatikan supaya alurnya paham, ya. Nah, ketika saya menjelaskan pun, Mas Zidan juga memperhatikan di layar. Padahal sudah saya sediakan petunjuknya, ya. I just told the sign you have to practice as good as possible. Understand, everybody? Manila, Mas Rashid, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, good. Next,
Yeah.
continue. Yeah. The last topic before we continue to the next meeting. Yeah. I stop sharing first. Let's back to the dictionaries here. I'm going to describe to explain about how to give the directions in English. Yeah. Directions in English. Okay. This one, chapter 8, giving directions in English. Sudah Anda bisa baca di layar Anda?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In this chapter, we will learn how to give direction. Do you know direction? Petunjuk jalan. Ya. Oke, Mas Didan, apa itu tadi direction?
Petunjuk jalan.
Petunjuk jalan ya. Nah, ini penting untuk speaking Anda sehari-hari nih. Nah, Anda harus paham kosakata dulu nih. Di sini ada surrounded by. What is the meaning surrounded by? Apa itu surrounded by? Di sekitar.
Ya.
Ya. Remember, surrounded by, di sekitar. Sama dengan around. Ulangi, around.
Around.
Around. Okay, good. In the middle of. Repeat, please. In the middle of. Digabung ya. Supaya, yes, good. In the middle of.
In the middle of.
In the middle of. Oke, digabung ya. Supaya fluentnya dapat. Good job, Mbak Nila. Next, directly opposite.
Directly opposite.
Directly opposite. Apa itu? Berseberangan persis. Ya. Opposite itu berseberangan. Lihat di situ, ya. Directly opposite itu berseberangan persis. Di modul Anda yang ini, Mas Rashid dan Mas Didan, bisa Anda lihat di situ. And then on the right side, di sisi kanan. On the right side, di sisi kanan. Ya, on the right side, di sisi kanan. Understand?
Yes.
Oke, good job, Mbak Nila. On the left side, berarti apa, Mbak Nila? Artinya on the left side. Kalau on the right side tadi
Sisi kiri.
sisi kiri. Good.
Sisi kiri.
Right itu kanan, left itu kiri. Intersection, apa itu intersection? Persimpangan. Intersection, persimpangan atau pertigaan. Ya, intersection. And then parallel to, sejajar, ya, sejajar dengan parallel to, sejajar dengan. Corner, di pojok, di sudut, ya. Ya,
Corner
corner.
apa?
Di pojok atau di sudut, ya. Corner. Understand? Next,
Yes.
dead end. What is dead end? Jalan buntu, ya. Dead end itu apa? Jalan
Jalan buntu.
buntu. Next, one way. What is one way?
Satu arah.
Satu jalur, satu arah, betul, ya. One way. Straight ahead. Coba dibaca. Straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Right
Straight
ahead.
ahead. Jalan lurus, ya. Jalan terus atau jalan lurus saja. Jalan terus atau jalan lurus saja, ya. And then roundabout. Jalan lingkar. Roundabout. Close to, dekat. Apa tadi artinya close to? Dekat. Ya, dekat. Turn, belok. Turn left, belok kiri. Turn right, belok kanan. Okay? And then U-turn. What is U-turn? Putar balik. Ya, putar balik. U-turn itu putar balik. And then corridor. Pembatas. Koridor itu pembatas. Ya, koridor itu artinya pembatas. Okay, next. Sidewalk, trotoar. Apa tadi? Sidewalk,
Trotoar.
trotoar. Okay, good. Selanjutnya, to describe the place where something is. Untuk mendeskripsikan bahwa tempat itu berada di mana, maka kita menggunakan preposition seperti in. In itu berarti berada di dalam. In the hotel, in classroom, in the office, ya, in the stadium, in di dalam, on, pada, on the road, di jalan, on itu di atas nempel, on the road di jalan kan nempel ya, on the sidewalk di trotoar, nempel kan pada kaki kita nempel di trotoar, on the sidewalk. Paham bedanya on sama in? Apa tadi kalau in? Di dalam ruangan.
Dalam.
Kalau on, di atas nempel. Clear? At itu berarti pada, spesifik, ya pakai the. At sidewalk, at stadium, at hotel. Ya. Nggak di dalam, nggak di luar, tapi ya di sekitar situ. Menjabarkan tanpa the. On top of, di atas. On top of, di atas. Di atas dari. At the bottom of, di bawah dari. Bottom itu di bawah. Inside, ke dalam. Outside, di luar. Near, dekat. Near, dekat. Next to, di sebelah. Next to, artinya apa tadi?
Di sebelah.
Di sebelah, ya. By, di dekat. Sama dengan near. By itu artinya dekat, ya. By, dekat. In front of, what is in front of? Come on, Mas Rashid, do you still remember in front of?
Di depan.
Di depan. Good. Yes. In front of, di depan. Behind.
Belakang.
Ya, di belakang. Opposite. Tadi apa opposite? Di seberang. Under. Di bawah.
Luar.
Di bawah, tapi yang bisa ditempati ini di bawah. Contoh, under the chair, di bawah kursi. Bisa kan ditempati? Ditempati tas, ditempati kucing misalkan, apapun itu bisa. Bisa ada ruangnya. Under the tree, di bawah pohon. Bisa kan? Ada bangkunya, ada apa begitu di bawah pohon ya. Ada yang bisa ditempati. Under. Over, melewati. Over, melewati. Over, melewati. Sudah, ya. On the left sebelah kiri, on the right sebelah kanan. Contohnya, let's take a look on the example. Two examples below. The shops near the entrance on the right of reception. Digabung supaya kita dapat fluentnya, lancarnya itu kita gabung. The shops near, the shop is, kita gabung jadi the shops. Ya. The shops near the entrance. Ingat, the dibaca the ketika dia bertemu dengan bunyi vokal. Bunyi A, I, U, E, O. Jadi the entrance, the office, the iron, the apple, the L, G, L, depannya E, ya kan? The open, ya. Pakainya the. Understand, Mbak Nila?
Yes.
Oke, lalu the tetap the kalau dia bertemu bunyi mati, bunyi konsonan. Selain A, I, U, E, O. Berarti the student, the guest, the worker, the conversation, the cat, the pajamas, the girl, the boy, gitu ya. Jadi the ada dua pengucapannya, the dan the. The kalau dia bertemu a, i, u, e. You understand so far?
Yes.
Okay. You can continue?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Good. The shops near the entrance on the right of reception. Repeat please. Together.
Shop is
The shops near the
entered
entrance on the right of reception.
Okay, what does it mean? Apa ini maknanya? Toko yang dekat dengan pintu masuk itu berada di sebelah kanannya resepsionis. Ya kan? Is it clear? You get the point? Paham maksudnya?
toko dekat
Toko itu berada di dekat pintu masuk di sebelah kanannya resepsionis. Understand the point? Vanilla? Good. Next, the toilets are the bottom of the stairs on the left. Repeat together.
the toilet.
The toilets are at the bottom of the stairs on the left.
On the left. Apa itu maksudnya?
Toilet
Toilet.
Toiletnya ada di bawahnya.
bawah tangga
Stairs itu apa? Tangga di sebelah kiri.
Sebelah kiri.
Di bawah tangga, tapi yang sebelah kirinya tangga. Ya, itu toiletnya di situ. So far, everybody understands or not? Kalila, Mas Rosid, Mas Didan?
Yes.
Oke, jadi for next meeting, ya, for next meeting, we continue to discuss about, ya, let me tell you this one. Today, about words, ya, noun, adjective, and verb. Kita pahami ini. Ya, baru setelah itu nanti ke frase, teks langsung. Ya tepat, artinya tepat. Jadi next meeting, ya, the fourth meeting. We will discuss about this. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Jadi tentang noun, apa itu noun? Kata benda.
Kata benda.
Adjective, kata sifat. Verb, kata kerja. Ya. Dan kita latihan practice describing conversation untuk pertemuan berikutnya. Pada hari Kamis ya, kita mulai 8:30. Sampai 9:30. Oke? So far, do you have any questions?
No.
Nothing? Okay. After this, I will share the link to check your attendance. Saya akan share tautan untuk presensi Anda nanti di WA, ya, by WhatsApp. But before that, as usual, we have to capture our meeting today. Kita foto dulu, ya. Okay, prepare yourself and open up the camera. Turn on your camera. Keep smiling and keep your finger, ya. Use the freestyle, ya. Gunakan gaya bebas Anda. Okay, keep smiling, lihat giginya. 1, 2, 3. Oke. Mas Rasid, ulangi, kurang senyum tadi. Senyumnya kelihatan giginya. Ya. 1, 2, 3. Mas Didan, look at the camera. Good job. Mana ekspresi tangannya nggak kelihatan? Nah, tangannya nggak kelihatan. 1, 2, 3. Smiling. Nice. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your attention today. we meet again next meeting on Thursday at 8:30 or 8:30 in the evening. Understand?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, have a good day. Good night, everybody.
I'm go out. Sorry.
Okay, you may leave the meeting.